towards Lipto. This still Hawa area. I'm gonna walk over there and turn right to go to Hawa area. Turning right from here. This is still part of Hawa in the cemetery side. Okay, magsimula ako rito after the cemetery. And this way is towards Lipton. So I'm gonna turn right here in this corner. You have a big water tank here on the left. And turning to the right. This is also going to Hawa. Let's see what's going on here. How the road looks like. And we have here Kapitan Felix Romo. Purok tree. This area. Continue walking. Well, small drops of rain are on my way. So it's okay. It's manageable to walk. These are the houses here in this area in Hawa, still Hawa. Wow. These are houses of the foreigners. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 already houses here. As I will take this cemented road on the left, so some like a curvature towards the left. Let's see where this road ends up, and see we'll know. So the cemented road is up to here only, and let's see, we're gonna walk towards forward and see what rock number 3 must be, as I have read down there. Still have new houses here on the forward. Okay, another new house. What do you have here? Sheila store. Oh, tindahan dito. And here. So ito pula, sinasabi nila na putol-putol ang cemented road in this area in Hawa. This is the area of the Baptist Church in Valencia. Modern eh. Ginoo for blessing this place. Hawa, Valencia, Negros Oriental. Hello. Hello, Hawa. Praise the Lord, Hawa. Ito na pala yun. Oh, there's another house here behind the house of Jimmy. Oh, ada ni dalan rin. Ay, ana tindahan dere, oh. If you turn left, is the way to the barangay hall of Hawa on the left side there of the road. So, and this is the house of our friend with the doogie. Doogie. Oh, this is in the corner. Diferensya,
Oh, diferensya, oh.
1956 ka.
Oh, 1956.
Tama, 55 mas pati. Tungkol na.
Oh, kailan ka naspati na ko?
Oh, si Albes.
Albiso.
Oh, ibo, di ka, ibo na
Okay
yung
na
shop.
kung balay. Ako na shop. Akong bata.